Welcome back. In this slide, we are going to study about the solar system and the Earth. So let's start. The Sun as a star. The Sun is the star of the Milky Way galaxy that is nearest to Earth. A star is a large mass of very burning gases. We already know that the star is made up of hot burning gases, and it gives its own light. Like other stars, the Sun is a very hot and very bright body, and it is a source of energy. We know that the Sun is the main source of energy on our planet. When we talk about the planets, there are 8 planets in our solar system, and the names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and so on. And the movement of the Earth around the Sun and all of the other planets in the solar system is anti-clockwise. These all planets are moving around the Sun in anti-clockwise direction. Some planets have their own natural satellites or moon, which are smaller bodies that move in a fixed path around the planets. So there are some natural satellites which are usually smaller bodies, and they are moving around the Sun in anti-clockwise direction and due to the gravitational force. So next point is asteroids. What are asteroids? Asteroids are small, irregular shaped bodies, and that are mostly found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. These are small and irregular shaped bodies, and they are found between the Mars and Jupiter. The comets are masses of gas and dust particles. The comets are made of gas and dust particles. And what about the meteorites? Meteorites are usually called or known as shooting stars. They are known as shooting stars, and meteorites usually burn up when they enter the Earth's atmosphere, but some of them also fall on the surface of the Earth. So this is all about the solar system and the number of planets which we have in our solar system and the other small bodies. So in next slide, we are going to discuss about the important facts. The word galaxy comes from the Greek word meaning milk. The Muslims who made the contribution to geography, their names are Al-Adriz, Ibn Battuta, and Ibn Khaldun. In August 2006, IAU, the International Astronomical Union, declared that Pluto did not meet all the conditions necessary to be defined as a planet. So these are all the important facts which you need to keep in mind. So in next slide, we are going to discuss about some facts about planets. The planet nearest to the Sun is Mercury. It has the fastest orbital moment, 48 km per second, which means it has the shortest period of revolution around the Sun. The Earth has only one moon. The Jupiter has 63 satellites, of which 4 moons have been given names by astronomers. The Saturn has 63 satellites, including moons. Uranus has 27 moons. Neptune 13, and Mars has 2 moons. But there are 2 planets, Mercury and Venus, which have no moons. So in next slide, we have a table in which we are going to discuss about the planets, their mean distance from the Sun, the period of revolution, the diameter, the mass, and the number of satellites or moons they have. So let's start with Mercury. The mean distance of Mercury from the Sun is 58 millions of kilometers, and its period of revolution is 88 days. Diameter is 44,878 kilometers. It has a mass of 0.06, and it has no moon. Then we have Venus, which has a mean distance of about 108. Period of revolution is 225 days, and diameter 12,104. Mass is 0.82, and number of satellites or moons 0. So we have all the data regarding these planets, and how many moons they have, what the diameter they have, what is the period of revolution, and what is the mean distance. So you can go through this table and better understand it. So this is all about today's lesson. Keep watching my videos. Thank you.